scepter.
It's lapping. It's basically the same, but we're tweaking our slurry amounts and the weights that we're putting on the parts. We're still working on getting a third pod set up. We need another sprayer, which is on the way. This is the second slurry sprayer. We're going to need a second bottle. The thing is with the second bottle is it'll reduce the amount that both bottles use because they're accommodating for each other. Okay, hey guys, welcome back. This is our Engis FL-24 lapping machine. We got rid of the tiny one about a week ago, I guess, and just been running this one since we got it. Right now it's just about 11 in the morning and I'm cleaning everything off. The machine has to be perfectly clean and immaculate or else everything will go horribly wrong and all of our parts will be scrapped and they'll be scratched and it'll be bad. So yeah, still waiting to hear back about our secret menu in the machine to change the date and time.
Yeah.
So there's two secret buttons that let you change the language between English and Chinese, and then apparently there's a secret menu that lets you change the time and stuff, and I can't find it, and it's not in the manual either.
You have to guess.
Yeah.
The whole thing has to be guessed.
I had to ask their lead engineer.
It's pretty special.
Yeah. So our time is about 11 hours off in the future, but yeah, everything else is fine. We had to make a small modification here. With these black rubber tubes, our slurry was spraying all over the table because it had to be really high up or else it would pull a siphon and it would drip continuously. So we heat shrinked some extra tubing and now it just kind of drips onto the plate in a much more controlled manner. And it's actually reducing our slurry costs and increasing our cut rate. It's been working great so far. That's pretty much it. Just making parts every day. Here talking about cleaning the lapping machine and the importance of keeping the plate and the machine itself nice and clean and keeping the plate nice and flat. Pretty much every morning in between runs, if the plate gets really dirty, I use the two diamond plated conditioning rings to remove a small amount of material from the plate. It just gets all of the old diamond grit off there. If you're changing grits, it's very important to remove all of the previous grit. And it also, you can bias the wear of the plate to put it back to flat. As you're running parts, it kind of dishes the plate concave or convex, and the plate being out of flat will directly determine the flatness of your parts. So the very first step is to just run the conditioning rings with a bit of lubricant for a minute or so, and then I go and vacuum all of the crevices and all around the plate, and then you just use a bit of isopropyl alcohol and wipe everything off. It pretty much gets the job done. Once the plate's clean, you put the two ceramic or as many ceramic rings as you're going to run onto the plate. Make sure you have the right micron of slurry in the sprayers, and then you run it for about a minute, spray some slurry on without parts, and the ceramic rings will embed the diamonds into the plate and prep it for parts. You don't really want to run parts on a plate that has no grit into it. Look at how yellow these buttons are now. Like the covers are just completely yellow. The next owners are gonna look us up on YouTube and see this video.
Erin is her own Steadicam because she's frozen solid.
That's it, eh?
Yeah. All right, thank you so much, sir. All right, have a good weekend.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just a little bit of an update on our new lapping machine.